Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Diamond Rose. I'm here with another video, work from home video, and this job right here is coming from Peak Performers, and the job role will be a data analyst, and this is a remote position. It's up to $27.50 per hour. It's a full-time position, temporary position, and a contract position. With this job, the pay is up to $27.50 per hour, and it pays weekly, this job. And the benefits of this job is 403B, dental insurance, health insurance, and visual insurance. And the major job duties for this job is to enter requests for arbitration into a mainframe system with between 30 to 40 pieces of information entered this system per request. Check each arbitration request for accuracy and information and determine whether to accept, reject, or ask for more information for the requester. Process arbitration related forms, including arbitration related pre-printed mailings. Enter data from other arbitration forms into the arbitration system. What are we looking for? Strong data entry experience, having an understanding of Microsoft Office, strong attention to detail, have a basic understanding of how to run a copier and printer. About this position, the pay rate once again is $27.50 per hour. The length of engagement is 6 to 12 months. Days, hours are Monday through Friday, 40 hours per week. Location is Austin, Texas, 78701. Peak Performers cares about our associates, and they have excellent medical, health, dental, and vision insurance at 60 days. Our employees may participate in a 403B retirement plan. Qualified applicants with chronic medical conditions and or disabilities receive priority placement. We pay weekly through direct deposit. In business since 1994, our relationships span more than 27 years and thousands of job placements. All employment offers are contingent on the successful completion of a pre-employment criminal background check and compliance with all applicable federal and state laws. Applicants for employment with Peak Performers must possess work authorization that does not require sponsorship of a visa now or in the future. Peak Performance is an equal opportunity employer and will consider all applicants without regards of race, marital status, sex, age, color, religion, national origin, veteran status, disability, or any other characteristic protected by law. Peak Performance does not accept unsolicited resumes from headhunters, recruitment agencies, or fee-based recruitment services. Now, this is an 8-hour shift job, and the benefits is health insurance, vision insurance, and dental insurance, and the work location is remote. And they're hiring for 2 candidates for this role, and they're urgently hiring, and they posted 2 days ago. So if it sounds like something you would like to do, go ahead and jump up on that job. It's with Peak Performers, and the job role will be data analysis analyst, and the pay will be up to $27.50 per hour. It's a 40-hour work week, you guys. So go ahead and jump right on it. And this next job is from Coda Staffing. It's a remote position. It's $26 to $27 per hour. It's a full-time job position or contract. And the job role for this job will be customer data governance. And this is a full-time position. And this is a position summary. Data governance will support the establishments, data governance policies, data procedures, and data definitions for the customer data domain, with a main goal of improving the company's customer data quality. The candidate will participate in the customer data cleansing process through our master data management tool, EBX, check adherence to customer data definitions and policies, and support the customer data lifecycle from initiation to activation. And they have a few other things that you guys can go through with this job and look at it. I will post a link down below in the description below this video. Essential functions working closely with the customer data steward, quickly come up to speed on the data governance, policies and definitions, and daily maintenance of customer data via TIBCO's EBX platform. Research companies' customers to complete customer records. Use strong data and analytical skills to identify gaps between companies' current customer data and the future data structure. Use Excel to develop efficient data cleansing processes using functionality like filters, pivot tables, and KUPs, VLOOKUPs to clean data. The additional functions are these: supports and exhibits behavior consistent with the sales and service philosophy of the company, acts with diplomacy, diplomacy as a representative of the company, and performs other related duties as required. The qualifications will be willingness to learn a new process and dig into the details, detail oriented, ability to multitask, prioritize, and meet deadlines, strong business acumen, and excellent communication skills. Must consent to and successfully pass background check. So once again, the pay start will be at $26 through $27 per hour. It's an 8-hour shift. It's Monday through Friday, and it's a full-time job position. It's remote, and they're hiring for one candidate. And they posted this 4 days ago. So you guys go ahead and jump on it. And happy Labor Day, you guys. Hopefully you guys are having a great time, a wonderful time, and staying safe. And I just wanted to go ahead and put in a word of inspiration. Keep going. Don't let no one deter you about any of your goals. Don't let anyone deter you of your goals. Just keep going. Get a piece of that work pie, and let's go. See you guys on the next video. Keep your head up. Keep smiling. If you haven't already subscribed, oh yeah, once again, if you haven't already subscribed, subscribe. If you're here and you're back as a subscriber or as a viewer, thank you for coming. Check out all my other videos, you guys. It's a plethora of jobs that I placed in my channel that are very resourceful and that can help you land that dream job that you've always wanted. And most of these jobs are entry level jobs that I post on my channel, and some of them are like senior or either mid-level, but most of them are entry level job positions, you guys, and some are part-time, some are temporary positions. So hopefully you guys will find your piece of pie. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, and smash that notification bell so whenever you guys can tell when I'm on, you guys know when I'm here, and you can get all the latest resources. See you guys on the next video. Bye.